Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use the image in the text. Start. Let's create the new document first by yeah, I have created the new document. Let's fill this new document with white background. Select, change this one into 6F, 3, 4, 5, 6F, which is the white background, and fill it with white background. Set the white background. Now select the text, and the text color should be different, like I said, the black. Right down here we say which. Move it into the middle. Go back to select this one, and use the text into the capital letter. By clicking this one, the text will be changed into all cap. Okay. Here I have the text type is impact and regular. Like this one. And accept this one by clicking the tick sign over there. So, and then edit, go for free transform, control J for the text. And now make the text letter bigger by holding the Alt key. Okay, my text is big now, and the accept is. Okay, move this text letter down in the middle. Okay. Now next we need the image, and we have to show the image here. So this place image, bring the one image here. Yeah, the image is here, and it's open in the different layer. Now resize the images because I want to fill up this image with all this text. So resize it. Okay. Now right click on the image and do create clipping mask. When you click on this one, it will automatically put your image on the text. There you go. See how you're gonna bring the image in the text. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and also do comments. And let me know any tutorial you want me to make. Thank you.